Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a showdown between two popular shaver head replacements, the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement and the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades. Get ready for some clean-cut comparisons. Let's start with the price, shall we? The Braun Series 770s comes in at $48, while the Philips Norelco OneBlade is a steal at only $24. Now, I don't know about you, but I love a good bargain. 1 point to the OneBlade. Now, let's talk about performance. The Braun Series 770s promises peak performance for up to 18 months. It's like giving your shaver a fresh start. On the other hand, the OneBlade boasts a revolutionary blade that delivers a fast, clean shave. It's like a superhero for your face. Tough call, but I'll give a point to the OneBlade for its superhero powers. Next up, ease of use. The Braun Series 770s makes replacement a breeze with its simple click-on mechanism. Just snap it in and you're good to go. Meanwhile, the OneBlade can be used wet or dry, with or without foam, even in the shower. It's like the MacGyver of shaver blades. Another point to the OneBlade for its versatility. Now, let's talk durability. The Braun Series 770s is crafted with quality in mind, 100% made in Germany. You know those Germans, they don't mess around when it comes to engineering. On the other hand, the OneBlade claims its blades can last up to 8 months. That's a lot of shaves. I'll give a point to the Braun Series 7 for its German precision. Last but not least, let's talk about additional savings. With the OneBlade, you can subscribe and save up to 15% on replacement blades. Saving money while keeping your face smooth? Sign me up. Another point to the OneBlade for its subscription savings. After a fierce battle, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades takes the crown with a score of 4-1. But remember, the best choice ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. Be sure to check out the detailed descriptions and customer reviews in the links below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us next time for more exciting comparisons on Buy Smart. Stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shopping. And there you have it, folks. After a fierce battle, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades takes the crown with a score of 4-1. But remember, the best choice ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. Be sure to check out the detailed descriptions and customer reviews in the links below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us next time for more exciting comparisons on Buy Smart. Stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shopping.